欢迎来 Ohio， 我希望你的旅行很好玩。
哦，好感动哦！我们昨天晚上到的，昨天晚上11点睡觉。
半夜
10点半。
半
夜1点。哦，是哦，我以为我们11点睡觉。老罗好像7点就起床了，没有时差的问题。
有时差。
有吗？可是你还是微
因为我们有一点晚睡觉，然后我们很早起床，对不对？
在台湾你也是7点起床。
很早。
差不多。
不是啊。今天下午我们可以睡觉。
这人一早起床，然后就来读中文。
Don't take my notes.
然后我要来工作。
BLTs.
Bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes.
Faint,
Dry taste.
and then you can cut it in half, Nolan, if you want. This is a process.
Yep. Every time we go out to eat, now you know. On the vlogs. I'm starving. It's food that looks really, really good. You gotta do this first.
Hey, I haven't taken long though.
I know. I'm good.
Where is it? You on the spot.
Dead center, hard. Go get an apple and we can set it on their head.
Yeah. Sure.
I was scared.
Oh, I got it that time.
You got it hard?
Yep,
Yeah.
yep, you got it right in the middle. Well, to the right side.
Yeah.
That's a good shot. That's 20.
He's still a better shot than I am.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I think it's
Which one was it?
this one.
Oh man, yeah, you're getting really good.
Ha ha ha.
The lady after my heart.
Ha ha.
It used to be underwater, and shellfish like to hang out here, so you can find a lot of fossils here. But it used to be a lot more. So now that sign over there said by permit only. Oh, there's some deer.
Where's the other two?
There's the one baby, two babies.
Oh.
So those are called white-tailed deer because their tails are really white. This you already have.
So what do I do?
So you
Save
can
it?
just keep it. Don't let it. You don't have to let it now. But I would just put it off.
You just told everybody.
No.
Good. I might have to try it.
Got a lot of food.
Good night.
I might go at it. You guys want some rice? I know.
I'm okay. I'm good.
Go ahead and get some.
Oh no.
Maybe hit your sprayers one time.
You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I follow you when you're the only thing unhallowed me? And why would I?
Not today. Thank you though.
But you have like a better reaction for this.
It's so delicious. Yeah.
Welcome home. 黑富回美巧克力，然后我们拿的是上面是巧克力的饼干，这是 Nolan 最喜欢的味道。
好吃吗？
好吃。它吃起来有点像那个黑森林蛋糕啊，我觉得。榴莲呢？多少钱
110，110美金。
天哪！
贵死了！
贵死了！
I just
I'll track you. Oh, you went bread?
这是老罗一家最想吃的，好吃吗？
最有名的。
What would you recommend?
I would recommend one of these, the 3-way, 4-way, 5-way, or the chili cheese cone.
Cone is hot.
Yeah.
You can share on the plate.
Why is it like this? Wow. Mix it?
No. Just try it like that first. Just make sure to get a bite with everything in it.
Beans and onion.
What is it?
Beans and onion.
Yeah, just make sure to get something good.
Good.
Yeah. What do you think?
It smells like 牛肉面。
Oh yeah.
吃起来像红烧牛肉面。Not bad.
Did you taste the cinnamon?
没有很 strong 的 cinnamon， 我觉得就像红烧牛肉面，中药口味的。不错。A lot of people what?
A lot of people use forks to eat this because it's very messy.
哦，好。
It's called a chili cheese cone.
里面是什么 ？Chili。
Hot dog bun, hot dog, chili, onions, mustard, and cheese. Chili cheese cone. All right, go ahead.
放来。
觉得怎么样？比较好。真的吗？
I think she likes it.
有一点 salty, but it's very rich. 要帮我 mix 来。I like it.
Taste the mustard.
我们要去哪里？
我们去咖啡店见面朋友。
去见 Mitchell， 他最好的朋友。这个是这里吗？Ohio很有名的一个 castle， 还好。它是一个人，然后自己手把手建造的。好了，朋友有一艘船，我们要来坐船。
Ready? Yes, Yeah, that'd be fun to have with a couple friends.
这个是 Ohio River， 然后这边是 Kentucky， 这边是 Ohio， 前面就是 Cincinnati。
Yeah, let me know if you want the box. Okay, thank you. Yeah, no big deal. Take that.
Like looking at
Only a
pictures.
year ahead of us.
2013. Yeah, I know. I look older. I look like crap.
今天有老罗的欢迎 party， 所以我们把东西都先塞好。现在要来准备
It'll be this
等
one.
一下的 party。我们刚刚在玩这个叫 cornhole 的游戏，第一次玩呢，但是还蛮厉害的。带了一个亚洲的东西来，等一下要给大家吃。然后这边是南美国人区，今天要办 party， 准备了珍珠奶茶，然后呢，我还要煮辣炒年糕给大家试试看，然后再加一个三杯鸡。在卖场找了一个台湾米酒。吃完饭，太阳出来了。你要继续读书吗？
对。
煮好了辣炒年糕，这样看起来没有很红，因为没有很多人吃辣。然后还有珍珠奶茶，但是奶茶现在在冰箱里面。然后还煮了三明治，颜色没有很深，上色没有很成功，但味道还可以。
To Nolan and Elena coming home from Taiwan.
耶！大家都 ready 了，
I can buy that at Jungle Gym.
紧张吗？紧张。You're nervous?
Yeah, I'm not now.
You look good. You look good.
Well, I had to change my shirt.
All right.
Ooh.
Come on, Junior. You got Nolan rattles. Come on, Junior.
Oh.
Come on, Junior.
Oh. Whoa.
You gotta get one. You gotta get one.
绍兴酒。
Is that right, Slime?
Yeah.
还是很
It says it's fresh on it.
非常的甜。网络作者里面英文也的 tacos。
I didn't put it.
今天是 Nolan 朋友美球的爷爷就是大寿。Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you.
Christmas.
你想吃吗？
Walmart.
这看起来超好吃的，太甜。
真的太甜。
老罗的妈妈准备了 BLT 当晚餐，虽然我现在很饱，但是我还是很兴奋。相对于的 BLT 三明治真的超好吃。
Yet, so here's the knife to cut.
做晚餐的
I don't
男
know. It
人，
smells kind of weird.
好玩。
All right.
老罗都爱吃晚餐。哦。
There's more special.
I mean, I don't think you'd be cutting sandwiches with this.
It's taking it so long.
It doesn't look good.
Pretty weak here.
It's serrated nice.
That looks nice. Come on. I'm trying to make it look good.
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Man.
明天我们要从 Corley 骑车到 Xenia。老罗的第一相机。
They would laugh me out of town because they'd say, "Hurry up, I'm too slow."
Can I have your board?
That's
I
exactly you.
cannot recognize this board.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
Should be like a little arrow.
That doesn't look like it at all.
That's
How do you figure?
That's how you write it.
But it looks like a.
Let's go slow. Here we go. Yep.
还有刚剪完头发，对吗？好看吧？好看啊！好整，好大啊！
You see the migration, folks. Pretend you're in Africa, see the migration.